In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on Webull. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Webull application. Then go to the bottom menu and select on this option that does say markets right over here. It will kind of have like a picture of Saturn, the planet, and then it is going to bring you a menu that looks like this. Then we need to go to the top menu and select on this option over here that does say paper trade right over here. And essentially paper trading allows you to trade like fake money, but it's honestly incredibly useful because you can learn how to trade. You can go ahead and do like hypothetical situations and stuff like that. So we do have like $1 million to start off with over here. So over here, you got your performance and stuff like that, your buying power, and all you want to do is you want to press on the yellow button that does say paper trade like so. So for example, you can go ahead and search up like an ETF or a stock or anything like that. So let's go ahead and look up the Vanguard S&P 500 over here. Yep, here it is. So you guys can go ahead and paper trade this as well. You guys could also do options, and you guys could basically like track your investments and basically improve and hone in on your investing skills. Paper trading is great for developing trading strategies. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.